Hello Chronicle readers, hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to test Claude Cowork together and see how it works. It's just today I got access, so I haven't really tested it with anything yet. So what I've done right now is so far I created a folder called Claude Cowork Demo where I have put all of my Tech-tonic Chronicle newsletters that I have written. And what we are going to do today is we are going to ask Claude Cowork to create the 23rd edition newsletter of Tech-tonic Chronicles for me. And this newsletter is going to cover Claude Cowork and how we went about doing all of this and the functionalities. So let's test it. So what I did is I worked with ChatGPT on a prompt on what to give to Claude Cowork, which is what I'm going to give. And I'll walk you all through this. So I'm asking it to look at the latest 6 Tectonic Chronicles files in the folder by modified date or by the numbering. Do not edit originals. First, info my signature style. So I'm asking you to look at the style in which I write the newsletter. It could be section header, intro, tone, disclaimer, any recurring lines. And I ask it to create an output in the same folder to save it. So it's going to save those. And it's going to write Tectonic Chronicle Edition 23 with the title, opening, disclaimer, body topic, and also video placeholder. The one I'm recording is what I'm going to attach to the newsletter. And one other interesting thing, let's see if it's able to do this, is I've written a Python script to using OpenAI image model where you give an input, prompt input, and it will give you output of an image. So I tested it with a very simple prompt and it gave me this image. Uh, no wonder banana, because I feel Nano Banana is a really good image gen model. So let's see if it's able to go to this folder. So I've referenced it to find newsletter gen and go through the README file and use the Python script to generate two distinct images that I can then choose to attach as a cover pic for my 23rd edition. And I've given it instruction to ask me if it is stuck anywhere. So maybe I'll see if I have to refer. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to, okay, don't think it's getting attached. Okay, let's skip this. Let's try it out. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's asking me permission. I'm going to give allow, which is good. It's having human in the loop. Let's see what it's running. The good part about Claude Cowork is I think it has access to our operating system desktop, and it can write all of these bash commands in the terminal to do its functionality, which is pretty cool. Okay, it looked at the latest 6 editions, 22 to 17. It's reading the file, so I can show you what it's reading. Interesting, it's showing up the file of agent harness, which is exactly what it's doing. Agent harness is nothing but it has access to the operating system and the agents run on a continuous basis. It plans, it executes till it completes the tasks over a period of time and not provide a single shot output. So that concept is agent harness, and yeah, funnily enough, it's reading that file and the other files too. Let's see the to-do list here. Okay, says few of it is in progress, few of it is in pending. Pretty cool. Okay, it identified my pattern, the disclaimer, section header, and closing pattern. Amazing. So it's going ahead and creating a bunch of outputs. So if you look at it, it keeps updating the to-do list. And as a user, I'm able to see what all it has completed and what is in progress and what is pending. So right now it's drafting the Tectonic Chronicle article. Okay, we see that it has created these files. Okay, this is pretty cool. It identified that I use certain self-deprecating humor, and it's trying to include that. Let's see how that works. Okay, now let's go and look at the to-do. Completed, output folder is created, style notes are done, and it completed drafting 23. I'm super curious to see the newsletter. And right now it's trying to go to the image and Python script and generate cover images. Let's see if it's able to do it. Okay, looks like it has completed the task. I can't locate the used in folder. Just go ahead and see the outputs it generated. So these are the style nodes. I think it's pretty cool. It captures the way in which I write, and then it. This is a new Tech-tonic Chronicle which is going to get posted today. So it shows hello Chronicle reader. So it used my style, and it talked about what I have been writing in the past 6 articles, past few months. Um, and it's like a meta article where it talks about what it just created. Okay, it added a disclaimer which is pretty good. What Cowork found, it said my signature pattern, the artifact factory metaphor. My writing is the raw material and Cowork is the factory floor. Great. I don't know why it picked up a manufacturing analogy, but maybe I have written something around manufacturing, which I did. And it picked up the themes from my last 6 editions and added a placeholder for the demo. Hmm. What still needs exploration? I think this is not great. This needs more work. And then finally it signed off with it. Okay, not bad. Not at all bad. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, it started with what Claude Cowork is about, and then the experiment. Chemical net themes. Pretty cool. Alright, that's so cool. I'm going to use this, and you can see the article in my latest chronicle. Meanwhile, we'll see if the image has been generated. Hmm. Okay, not bad. Maybe I'll use this. So thank you all for watching this. Share any feedback if you have, or if you have used Cloud Cowork. Let me know the use cases that you use it for. Thank you.